Okay, so now I'm finishing the task of counting all the coffee beans, and it seemed like quite a simple task, but already we have a problem, which is that there's all kinds of things that are difficult to count, like little fractions of a coffee bean. I said if it's half a coffee bean, I will count it. But I didn't know until I got to the bottom that I'd be dealing with all these little things like husks and little pieces and little tiny parts of a coffee bean. And what is that? Is that one coffee bean or two or three? It's difficult to count. Now I'm going to do something like if it's less than half a coffee bean, I'll add two of them together and call that.
How many coffee beans have you counted so far?
Yeah, so that's the key question. How many have I counted? I've got the thing. I've got it up here, and I'm getting real close to the end here. I'm picking out the whole ones now. And then I'm just going to take all that last little garbage and why don't I call that about, I don't know, four coffee beans. Okay? Should I call that 4 or 5? I think I'll just call that, let's see, yeah, that's just going to be 4 coffee beans. So now I've got an answer. And the answer is, but you might want to pause for a second in case you haven't guessed yet. Make sure you guess the quiz before you see the answer. But the point I'm trying to make is...
That looks like 100...
You're guessing
100
or
50 or 50.
Okay.
50, I think.
150 is Sophie's
No, just
guess.
50. Just 50.
50 coffee beans?
Yeah.
Okay, Sophie's guess is 50. The point I'm trying to make is people think statistics is about doing calculations. It's not about doing calculations. It's always about making decisions, and oftentimes difficult decisions because statistics is messy and data is messy. In the real world, data is always messy. You saw that little bit of coffee bean fractions. I don't know how to count that. Is that 4 coffee beans, 5 coffee beans? Even something as simple as counting a number of beans, which you would think was the most basic piece of data you could get. Forget people. How are you going to make a measurement on the population of India, which is 1.3 billion people? Even something as simple as counting coffee beans was difficult to do. And the answer was...
What?
1,773 coffee beans.
Wow.
You can stop it now.